Vitamin D and dental implants. Vitamin D, a fat soluble vitamin, is one of the vitamin that is responsible for our bone health, bone growth and more bone metabolism. Also it helps in immunity. So does the amount of vitamin D levels in our body has a role on dental implants. So when I say a role on dental implants, is it a deficiency of vitamin D? Will it increase the failure of dental implants, or people with deficient vitamin D levels, can they get dental implants done? This is what we're going to look in this video. Hello, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai Raja Annamalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not subscribed to our channel Pearls Dentistry, please do subscribe to our channel. We've got a whole lot of videos coming out in the next 1 year. Vitamin D, it's called cholecalciferol. It's present under our skin. When we get exposed enough to the sunlight, the ultraviolet rays in our sun acts on that and produces this vitamin D. Also, vitamin D is also produced from dietary sources. Most of the dietary sources are salmon, mackerel. Animal sources are only the little bit of dairy products, and milk also have got some amount of vitamin D. Most of it are animal sources. Now, the role of this vitamin D in our body is very varied. What do you mean by very varied? So vitamin D helps in the metabolism of bone. It helps in the bone growth as well as how the bone gets turned around over a period of time. It plays an important role. It helps by helping to absorb calcium and phosphorus from our stomach, from our intestine to the bloodstream. So the amount of vitamin D is important for the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, which again plays a role in the way our bones health, in our bone health from the intestine. Also, vitamin D is important for our brain health, for our cardiovascular health, in resistance to infection, and also helps to by improving the immunity. These are the various roles vitamin D has got a role to play. If you look at the kind of lifestyle which you have, mostly we are restricted inside our home. We don't go much out into the sun. And most of the sedentary lifestyle, because of lack of exposure to sunlight, majority of the population have got a vitamin D insufficiency, or a few percentage of the population have got vitamin D deficiency. So what is this difference between insufficiency and deficiency? So when we take a blood test, check the amount of vitamin D in our blood levels. If our blood levels of vitamin D is less than 10 nanograms per ml, we are called vitamin D deficient. Anywhere from 10 to 30, we call it vitamin D insufficient. Above 30 is optimal levels of vitamin D. So the reason people who are vitamin D insufficient or deficient has got an increased risk to infection, and their bone health might be compromised, especially when it comes to teeth. Vitamin D is important for the normal growth of the teeth, for the gum health, because it helps to resist infection by improving the immunity. So any treatment like dental implant, when we get in our mouth done, two things. One is when we get a surgery done, the surgery has to heal unevenly. So we should have a good amount of an immune response to prevent any infection happening after the surgery. So vitamin D helps in that. And also because the implant is placed in our bone, a normal bone metabolism, a bone turnaround is important for the good implant health. So when we are either having vitamin D deficiency or vitamin D insufficiency, chances of implant failure to happen, chances of infection in the mouth to get implant loss is a very, it's been established and it can happen. So if you feel that you're going to be vitamin D insufficient or deficient, it's better to take a blood test done. Check your vitamin D levels, and then you can have vitamin D supplements are available. Of course, after consulting with your doctor, we can always supplement your vitamin D levels. It comes both in tablet form, injections. It comes in a liquid form. A simple once a week dose for 6 weeks helps to improve our vitamin D levels. And once our vitamin D levels are improved, we can always get dental implants done. So vitamin D and dental implants have got a very good correlation. The failure of dental implants is very real due to infection and due to poor bone metabolism because of vitamin D deficiency. For such people, before getting the dental implants to check the vitamin D levels and then supplement vitamin D and then get the dental implant done is very important. People have already got dental implants done, having some infection on the implants. Do check your vitamin D levels and see if you need supplements. If you have any questions, do ask us in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. This is Dr. Arun. Until next time, signing off from Pearls Dentistry. Bye bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.